check this out. This morning, right after market opens up, we might over 400 handles on NASDAQ. Crazy, right? But what makes this even better is that this trade happened live in my Discord community. I was in the chat with the members, live streaming for them, breaking it down, my exact setup for Picasso fair value gap, together with the trade plan, so we executed in front of them. No fluff, no sugarcoating approach towards the marketplace. So in this video, I'm going to show you a live recording of my actions so you can see the whole thing, how I planned the trade, why I pressed the button, and the exact setup that led us to this 400 handles of trade on NASDAQ. My goal here is to show you what goes on my head, what goes in my mind before I make the move, how I approach each trade, and the kind of setups that I look for in the marketplace. Hopefully by the end of this video you'll have a better idea how I approach it, how I approach the marketplace, and maybe even pick up a few things or tips that you can implement in your own trading.
Picasso is opening up. First target is consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap. We're gonna see if we can work with this or not, right? A little bit lower. Picasso fair value gap delivery. That's why it's gonna be interesting. Stop loss is insane. Like, I wish this range would be 50 handles instead of 500. Love that, but we're working with the one marketplace actually offers us to work with. What can you do, huh? Basically, first presented fair value gap being broken, right? Not only that, there's more to this, right? Take a look. We have a low, we have a high, we have a lower low, higher high. Yeah? Breaker block is opening up. This right in front of you. The breaker block. So twofold, right? Like the conviction is being built up in front of you right now. We have the first presented fair value gap, we have the breaker block. Buy side from the session right here is resting above. Relative equal highs right here. That's where the partial comes off. And we're aiming towards Friday regular trading hours. Yeah. We're aiming for everything that I mentioned in this one, right? We're aiming for buy side. We're aiming for midpoint of the new week open gap. We're aiming for Friday's regular trading hours closure. Plus, we're aiming for the first presented fair value gap from Friday price delivery at ultimate draw on liquidity 18,177. Enjoy being in this. Optimal trade entry right there at the Picasso fair value gap itself. It'll be cool. Take a look here. Right, we have a small imbalance right here. I wanted it to go into the optimal trade entry, but what we're considering now. Okay, let me remove a few things from the chart just to show you around. This right in front of you, right here. What is this now? Breakaway gap. Right? We don't want to see the breakaway gap being touched anymore. Why? Because the fair value gap that has been created up here is already supporting the run. So what am I doing with this position now? Because we have that breakaway gap, I'm moving my stop loss down here. There's nothing for us to do with this anymore. So here, we're ready. Oh my god, I didn't. Yeah, that's the position. We're already in a position that is 78 handles in profit. Just saying. Just saying. Gonna take this off. Partial is gonna be what? Partial is gonna be 400 fucking handles. Like, this is a good day. This is the bottom of the new week opening gap right here. This blue line in front of you. And so far, like, so beautiful, right? So what happens upon marketplace opening up? We're leaving buy side not being delivered, sell side resting down below. Even more sell side resting down here. Pre-session after London trading, right? Power of 3 delivers the manipulation state power, right? Opens up the first presented fair value gap right here, right? You see that? Which is a breakaway gap. Why am I so confident in taking this? I'm so confident because this is a breakaway gap right here. And that first presented fair value gap is also a breakaway gap. We don't want it to be filled, right? This 945 bouncing away from it, beautiful, but that wick delivered the imbalance itself, right? Fully closed it. So the next candle, unsurprisingly, there's no surprise that 946 inverts the first presented fair value gap. Boom, trade entry is given. Not only we're trading away from a breaker block, we're trading away from the Picasso fair value gap, which is the first presented fair value gap that got inverted, right? Beautiful price delivery. New week opening gap delivers, buy side resting up above. And no, algo doesn't exist. You need supply demand to trade. Fuck that. And the session is not there yet even. How beautiful that is. Is it legal? If you don't tell anybody, it's gonna continue being legal, right? It's gonna continue being legal if you don't tell anybody. No, like, man, like, how to say? This has been... I have proved that this delivers since 2009. ICT says it has been delivering since the early ages of NASDAQ, S&P. So for 40 years now. Which is fucking insane. What we're dealing with. I think we won't even retrace back into the range. We're just gonna take the partial, leave the stop loss down here. That's the most difficult thing about Picasso. I've been working with Picasso entry since what, September last year, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 months now. I still can't say whether we should be looking to trade entry as soon as it inverts, or we should be looking for the marketplace to come back into the range. Sometimes the marketplace comes back into the range, which is beautiful, like that, right? Sometimes it doesn't. So my thought initially is always enter immediately. Manage the risk properly, because you have to understand that the marketplace can go as low as here, right? So you have to keep that in mind if you're trading Picasso. And this is great. Oh, fucking right. I don't have much else to add here. Oh, fucking right. This is beautiful. We've seen this kind of price delivery in 15 minutes a few weeks ago. When sell side was taken, right, like this. When NVOC was delivered, another target being hit halfway. Not much to talk about when the price delivers so good, huh? Only 2 down close candles in this one. Only 2 down close. What I would be looking at right now, like if this gets elevated, possibly just taking this whole off. Why? Take a look at here. We have what kind of targets we work with when we're engaging with Picasso, huh? When we work with Picasso, we look at 0.25, halfway, and 0.75. Right? Take a look at where 0.75 is. We almost got there. Like, this is good. It's never that precise with Picasso, right? In terms of quartiles. Something that you can have on the chart, and if it starts making a turn away from it, especially if this inverts, I'm just taking this off, which I'm cool with. Is delivering without me? Full on alright. SMT, exactly, sir. I always get scared. Like when I see an SMT delivering like this, I always get freaked out. I be in this, shouldn't I? All that good stuff. Huh? Have a breaker block as well. Right here on the left breaker block. And I'm closing the position. There's nothing for me to do. This can deliver without me. This can deliver lower. Anything can happen right now. Expectation is still higher. But I'm out.
If you found this helpful, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed here, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss more live trades and tips and strategies just like we did in front of you right now. If you want to see these kind of trades happening in real time, be sure to join the Discord community. The price delivered from exact levels and we wanted it to deliver quite a few minutes before. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I love it engaging with you guys and I'll be happy to help out. Until next time, for now, keep your risk managed, stay disciplined, and keep crushing those markets. Catch you in the next one.